Hi everyone, we are group 16 and we are presenting on the role of computational tools in drug discovery. So in this presentation, we will look at the abstract, the introduction, fundamental concepts and methodologies, advantages of computational tools in the drug discovery process, the emerging trends and future directions, challenges and limitations, conclusion, references, and then the authors who wrote this article. So to begin with the abstract. The traditional drug discovery, that is the type of drug discovery that does not involve the use of computational tool, is costly, slow, and most of the drugs have high failure rates. So the introduction of these computational tools ranging from molecular modeling to artificial intelligence are now essential at every aspect of the drug discovery process. These computational tools can help predict safety and pharmacokinetics, identify new drug prospects, and then optimize compounds which help to reduce cost and time, thereby improving drug effectiveness. So let's look at the main introduction. Drug discovery takes decades and billions of monies, but yet most drugs fail, especially during clinical trials. The computational tools like computer-aided drug design and computer-aided drug discovery, that's CAD, must be adopted to improve efficiency. These computational tools are no longer supplementary, but rather essential. They help explore molecular interactions and screen compounds quickly. So this article seeks to discuss how these computational tools are essential in the drug discovery process. Let's look at the fundamental concepts and methodologies in the use of computational tools in the drug discovery process. Computational drug discovery processes are categorized into two main groups, that is, structure-based drug design (SBDD) and ligand-based drug design (LBDD). So under the structure-based drug design, we have molecular docking. So this molecular docking predicts the desired orientation of a micromolecule, that's a ligand, when it joins to a macromolecule, a receptor, using scoring functions to rank potential prospects. 2. Virtual screening, that is VS. The VS is a fast computer-based method that checks large collection of molecules to find ones likely to stick to a specific target using molecular docking. 3. Molecular dynamics simulation. So this molecular dynamics simulation provides a dynamic view of a ligand-receptor interactions, simulating movement to steady stability, flexibility, and binding mechanisms. So the second one, under the fundamental concept and methodology, we have the ligand-based drug design, LBDD. So under LBDD, we have quantitative structure activity relationship, that's QSAR. So this builds a quantitative relationship between molecular structure and biological activity. Pharmacophore modeling. So this uses a 3D arrangement of features from known compounds to screen for new molecules with similar properties. And the last one is molecular similarity. So this method is based on the idea that similar molecules have similar biological activities. It involves finding chemical databases for compounds that are structurally similar to known active drugs. Let's quickly look at some of the advantages of these computational tools in the drug discovery process. The introduction of these computational tools in drug discovery is playing vital roles in the pharmaceutical industry. So below are some of the advantages of computational tools in the drug discovery process. 1. Speed and efficiency. Computational methods significantly promote the initial phases of drug discovery. For example, virtual screening, that is the VS, can screen millions of compounds in days or weeks, roles that would take years using the traditional experimental methods. That is the type of discovery that does not involve the use of computational tools. The speed enables faster identification of promising candidates and enhanced progress in preclinical testing. 2. Cost reduction. So the use of computational tools has reduced the need for expensive and resource-intensive experimental screening and synthesis. The ability to separate non-viable candidates early in the process prevents failure of drugs in later stages. Last one, rational drug design. Computational tools have promotes more rational data-driven methods in the drug discovery process. Researchers can use computational tools to design molecules with specific properties and predict their interactions with the biological system. Let's look at some of the emerging trends and future directions. So, recent years have witnessed remarkable advances in the use of computational tools in the drug discovery process. The emerging trends include the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning for target prediction and lead optimization. 2. Quantum computing. This offers high accuracy simulations of molecular interactions, improving drug target binding and precision in drug design. So looking ahead, computational tools are expected to play even more roles in the drug discovery process. The adoption of deep learning and generative AI models will accelerate the de novo drug design by creating novel molecules with optimized pharmacological properties. So let's quickly look at some of the challenges and limitations in the use of these computational tools in the drug discovery process. 1. Accuracy and predictive models. So the results depend on the quality of the data, and it is difficult to model complex biological systems with full accuracy. 2. Computational power. Running big simulations and handling large databases require a lot of computer power and money, which can be hard for a smaller research team to afford. 3. Need for experimental validation. Computer predictions are helpful, but they must still be checked in the lab since they cannot fully replace real experiments. So to conclude, computational tools now play an essential role in modern drug discovery, making the process faster, more efficient, and more strategic. These computational tools allow researchers to navigate vast chemical spaces and making well-informed choices early in development, thereby reshaping how new medicines are discovered. Although the path from molecular concept to an effective drug remains complex and demanding, these computational tools have significantly strengthened our ability to overcome challenges along the way. So, to our references, below are the books and articles we gathered information in writing this review article. And these are the students or the authors of this review article. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.